Hello friends, today we are playing this game that is called Get a Snack at 4 a.m. This is a game about getting a snack. Okay, we'll just read it. You wake up in the middle of the night feeling famished. Now you must traverse your home and local neighborhood in search of a good meal. A reimagination of my older game, Get a Snack at 3 a.m. Simulator. Also check out the remake. We'll check out the remake soon. For now, let's just join the game. We are in. Okay. Loading. Okay, let me load it. Okay, we are in. You can get a snack at 4 a.m. version 3.9. Okay, anyways. Welcome, kitty. It's me, your self-conscious. I'm interrupting your sleep to say that you are starving. You appear to be waking up during your starvation. You honestly can't sleep in this condition, so I advise you get a late night snack. Just try to be sneaky, okay? About it, okay? Yes. Anyways, you're waking up. I'll see you soon. Okay. Okay. Cash, I need to collect okay. Just like these other games. Why can't I move? Oh, finally. Okay, it's 4. Good one, bro. I'm going to... What is this? Statue collection. Oh, ending collection, like? Exactly. Get a snack at 4 a.m. Okay. Open. Ticks. Oh, it's like Roblox, like a long time ago. Are we not going to talk about the plants? Chips. Why is it a Roblox?
Yummy.
Come on, eat it. Objective, go back to bed. That was... Huh? Wait, what? Father figure? You woke me from you up. I could hear you opening and eating chips. Ending. Chips. Wait, okay, how is I... Dad got mad. Okay, how was I supposed to do that? Okay. Let's... Why am I... Okay, excuse me, why am I back here? Okay, no, I'm back here. The photo changed. The photo has... What? Why is Flamingo holding a gun? How to get a snack at 4 a.m. Click item to pick. You can only pick up one item. Objective, get a snack at 4 a.m. and get different endings. A game by... whatever, I can't write that. Okay, what if I can just Okay... Cash, that's not really a lot. Ending. Chip. What is it called? Okay, let's pick this up. Why do my photos change? What if I can find something? Real money. Isn't my dad gonna kill me? Isn't he gonna kill me since I'm stealing all the money around the house? Why is there even money around the house? Could somebody tell me why is there money around the home? Anyways. Ordinary orange pickup, please do not. You said it's called Robux. Okay, no, that's not Robux. That is a chin. That is not Robux. That is just a I forgot. It's cash.
Hey, yo, it's another video.
It's annoying orange. No.
good
No,
thing it's
stop.
not at 3 a.m. That's when all the creepy stuff happens, right?
No, stop. Stop.
Hey,
Ending.
Tutti Frutti
Orange.
9000. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. It's
Uh-oh.
me, yourself, conscious.
Stop.
Conscious.
Stop talking. Stop it. Objective, get a snack at 4 a.m. Okay. What are these pictures that I have? Why do they keep changing? Oh, it's because I got the orange ending. Okay, let's try to get a different ending. Wait, okay, chips. Wait, can I go outside? Wait, I did play, I think, like I did. Why won't it let me pick? Whatever. Okay, this is the door open. Oh, I got disconnected. Okay, let me just get reconnected. Wait a second. Okay, I am back. Okay, well, what was I supposed to do? Okay, I think I have an idea. Since I can go outside, I think I have an idea. No one can hear me eating chips outside. I did play games like this before. I think I like played games like this before. Okay, let me just go outside. Why am I a boy?
Yummy.
Let's see. Chips for noobs. Are you serious? Chips for noobs. Objective, go to bed. Okay, let's go to bed. He heard nothing. He heard nothing. That is cool. Peter Green. Why is... Anyways, let me just look at these. Okay, this is the photo that we saw. Why is there everything... That thing I do not... Okay, anyways, let me just go to bed. Is that an ending? Please be. Ending. Sleep. You successfully went to sleep. Yay. Okay, let's try to get most endings, let's just say. I will continue this before. Oh, there are lots of endings I can see. Okay, I'm gonna try to get one more ending and then I'm gonna make a part 2 of this. Okay, let me try to like get some money. Come on. Money's all I need. Money, drip, money's all I need. Okay, we got $30. That's all I need. That's all I need. Okay, let me go. Is there a shop or something like that? We gotta. No one will do it for you. Effort might be about to get down. Open 24 hours. I do not. By the way, I do not understand 24-hour stores. Since every single one, like, what do you mean 24 hours? Like, you work here every day. Who are you? Put item here. Okay. Let's see, is there, like, anything good? Orange juice. Pick this up. And let's pay for this. How much should it... Not really a snack, but... No. I'm gonna take something else. Ticks. Okay, money. $2. I hope this is enough for the eggs, since I wanna try to cook an egg. I only have $8. Eggs are not that expensive. Whoa. I think that's a different ending, but I'll try. I'm scared. Just an orb. It didn't really do anything. So yeah, I think we're all clear. Oh. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I'm very sorry. Well, bye.